Hello, dear investors and Homely members. Welcome to my video. This is MG from Homely Chat. So today is November 22nd, Sunday. Gonna share you this topic. Which banker share is the strongest currently, and can we still add more? Because this week the whole bank counter have very good rebound, but I'm not want to recommend you any shares because banker counters will be one of the strong recovering counter after the convene finished, after convene recovered. So we need to we can to consider to do some layout, okay, before that, because some of the investor is also fundamental investment, so they want to buy more in these bank counters. At present, most of the banker shares already reached the lowest point of nearly 10 years, so it seems to have to average down or to buy more uh, accumulate some chips in this with such low valuations. Okay, so is it a time? Okay, I will analyze, share my views in this technical analysis way. Okay, to share you. And of course, this video is beautiful study and discussion, not for copy and sell. Everybody need to trade with their own risk. And we can see we can take a look about the whole chart of the sector. Okay, chart of the sector. This is the KOCR finance sector chart, and we can see currently last week have a very good rebound, but also fall back a little bit. Okay, have two support. Okay, one of the first white line is half price of this Monday positive candle. The second support is the white line, because the white line is the boundary of the bull and the bear. So if you can get support by any of these two support, you still have a chance to get more. Okay, but currently, before you add more, you know that now we still have a short-term chance, because the whole sector of banker tips is not so enough, 25% only. Okay, when we talk about the banker tips, we need to how to distinguish this rally, how can last for long term or short term. We need to check their funds situation, especially the big funds, what we call it the banker tips. So Homely Software have this MCD multicolor dragon, tell you the banker tips. So the red tips is the banker tips. It presents the shark in this sector or this in individual counter. If have banker tips inside, the price will also be pushed up by them. If no, the price will not increase sideways or just short term, or just a short-term rebound. And the yellow color is the yellow hot money. You can also consider it as foreign funds. Green color is lot retailer, people who lose money. So basically, we need to focus on these banker tips. We need to follow them very closely to make sure we can make stable and continuous money in the market. So currently, finance sector got banker inside, but actually not so enough. Okay, small. So you can set a strategy as short term, but can add more or not. After this correction, actually the correction is not so strong. So that's why I ask whether you can add more. Okay, if you missed this rebound, okay, missed this rebound chance, you still can add more, and after you get support. Okay, and we can also take a look about other countries sector. Okay, other countries chart. For example, this is Bank of America. Actually, it's also very volatile, and the banker tips also cannot remain. Last week also have good rebound, gap up very strongly, gap up. Okay, strongly gap up, very big gap here. You see, right? So if it didn't break down the gap, still have a chance to going up. Okay, the banker tips around 51%, stronger than the Malaysia. But actually, Malaysia counters also have some shares in good performance. Okay, we can take a look about the finance counter, finance the sector. This is chart of the dividend because many of the long-term investor by the banks to want to get the confirmed dividend. Actually, you see, 64 cents is maximum, okay, almost maximum, okay, compared to 2012. In the 2019, 67, basically only few percent, only few percent. If you know how to do short term, maybe one time you get the money already, more than 10%, okay, more than 10%. So you see, sometimes if you know how to make money by following the bank, it's easy for you to make bigger money instead of waiting for long term. Okay, it is confirmed, but the trend is not confirmed. Sometimes you lose more in the trend compared to this dividend. Okay, let's take a look about their bank shares. Okay, bank shares. But of course, they're in their whole financial sector, not only these 8 bank shares. Okay, and we also have for others like Canada, ICE Capital, MNRB, like that. But we only share this here. If you want to share others, you can also leave comment below the video, no problem. And okay, throughout this counter from last week chart, we can see number 1 is Alliance Bank. Okay, number 2 is FIN Bank, and then CIMB and Hong Yong Bank and Public Bank. But this ranking list cannot say that here is a list of the strongest one. Okay, but I checked for you already. Basically 2 bank shares is comparatively strong. First one is Alliance Bank. Bank chips around 40. Bank chips around 78. Okay, 71% actually. Alliance Bank. Yes, 71%. 71% is a strong control. Bank the price also break up the previous high already. No bankers, no resistance, no strong resistance. And also basically when we see how strong of this fallback, we can check about the MCDX. MCDX can check the medium short-term banker dips. If have green color means that short-term sell point. Also have no sell point for short-term, so still can consider to hold. And if you didn't have the share, you can also wait. You can also check the hourly chart. When we consider to trade for short-term, we need to enter in hourly chart 2488. We see the hourly chart actually. Friday also have another buy point here. Friday 3 p.m. Okay, when the green bar turns red bar, this is the indicator trend expert for buy and sell. So you see, before we talk about the buy and sell, we analyze. Okay, we no need to buy and sell in the analyze. After we analyze well, then you know how to buy. Okay. More simple. Green turn to red is the buy point. Okay, later on red turn to green is the sell point. Basically, this buy point is standing above the major line. So far, no big problem, right? No big problem. And also, we can check another counter. Okay, check another counter. Is this Hong Yong Bank? Hong Yong Bank with the banker chips around a 80%. Okay, 80%, very strong. Okay, very strong. But this counter is also very fast. Little bit volatile, a little bit volatile. And you can see if you use the MCDX, also appear the green color, means that short term have sell point here. Okay, short term have sell point. So we see hourly chart 5819. See, the sell point when the red bar turns to green bar. Okay, here's the sell point. Wednesday 10 o'clock. Sell point till now, no buy point. So it's volatile. If you buy here, when the green bar turns red bar is a buy point, and then you sell here. This short term you make 9.9%. So is it higher than your dividend? Okay, dividend 1 year one time. Here only 13 hours. Okay, that is the difference. Here also you can track. Okay, you can track 2.4% 8 hours. Okay, so you can make and this is the 2 bank shares which is comparatively strong. Okay, then I can show you Maybank. Maybank is stable, not so strong than the previous 2 bank counter, but stable. Why I say like that? Banker tips around 37%, but the correction still slightly. Okay, correction is slightly. There's no green tips here. There's no green retailers appears here, so still can consider to hold. Another stable stable bank shares Bank. Bank is also stable. If it still remain above the white line, still have a chance to going up, because when you fall back, also no green colors here. Okay, so if you want to check more counters, you can leave in the comments. Basically, in the day trading, I will send this homely lunch break in my WhatsApp broadcast. We have index and the sector. We have index and the sector analysis, and also have the individual shares analysis. Okay, to update you in time day trading. Lunch time. So if you want to get these updates of the day trading, you can just WhatsApp homely lunch to 011-16527-962. Okay, WhatsApp homely lunch to 011-16527-962. And also, if you want to learn more details of our class and our preview class, we also have a big class, have a this super class in end of this month. Mandarin version is 28th Saturday 2 p.m. English version will be 29 10 a.m. If you are not member, you need to register. Member can attend directly. Non-member can WhatsApp your name to 011-16527-962 to sign up the class. Okay, if you can learn a little bit from my today's video, please give me a like and then share it, and then can leave comments below the video. Your feedback is very matters to me. Thank you very much. And also, if you want to receive updates of this channel, you can subscribe the channel and turn on the bell. Thank you very much. Good night and see you next time. Bye for now.